Starting your day right can make a world of difference, especially when you're managing diabetes. Breakfast isn't just the first meal of the day, it's a crucial opportunity to set a positive tone for your blood sugar levels and energy throughout the day. Understanding how to eat breakfast if you have diabetes is about blending the science of nutrition with the art of enjoying food. It's not just about what you can't have, it's about discovering the vast array of foods you can enjoy that support your health and well-being. Let's dive into the delicious and nutritious world of breakfast for diabetes management, guided by scientific insights and a sprinkle of culinary joy. The cornerstone of a diabetes-friendly breakfast revolves around balancing macronutrients to support blood sugar control and provide sustained energy. Research has consistently shown that a high-fiber, moderate protein, and healthy fat breakfast can significantly improve blood sugar levels throughout the day. A study in the Journal of Nutrition highlighted the importance of dietary fiber in managing type 2 diabetes, noting its role in slowing glucose absorption and improving lipid profiles. But what does this look like on your plate? Picture starting your day with a warm bowl of steel-cut oats, rich in soluble fiber, which has been shown to have a beneficial effect on blood sugar control. Adding a sprinkle of flax seeds or walnuts not only introduces heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, but also adds a satisfying crunch. A dollop of Greek yogurt can introduce the protein needed to help you feel full longer, and a handful of blueberries can add a burst of flavor and antioxidants without causing a significant spike in your blood sugar. Variety is key to maintaining any healthy eating plan, and there are plenty of options for those looking to manage their diabetes through diet. For example, eggs, a staple in many breakfasts, have been studied for their role in improving markers of diabetes. A study published in Diabetes Care found that consuming eggs might improve fasting blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes when incorporated into a diet designed for weight loss. Pairing eggs with vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers can add fiber and nutrients while keeping the meal low in carbohydrates. The importance of whole grains cannot be overstressed in a diabetes-friendly breakfast. Whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Choosing whole grain options like quinoa, which has a low glycemic index, can be an excellent base for a savory breakfast bowl topped with avocado, black beans, and a poached egg. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a balanced mix of proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates that can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Including nuts and seeds in your breakfast can offer a multitude of benefits. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them ideal for people with diabetes. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that incorporating almonds into the diet could help improve glycemic control and lipid profiles in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Adding these to your morning routine, whether in a smoothie, sprinkled on oatmeal, or as part of a homemade granola, can provide crunch, flavor, and nutritional benefits. But managing diabetes through breakfast is more than just choosing the right foods. It's also about understanding portion sizes and the timing of meals. Eating a balanced breakfast shortly after waking helps to kickstart your metabolism and evens out blood sugar levels from the start. It's also beneficial to be consistent with the timing of your meals from day to day, as this can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a regular eating pattern contributed to better glucose control and improved insulin sensitivity. Hydration is another crucial aspect of a healthy breakfast, especially for individuals with diabetes. Starting your day with a glass of water can help to hydrate your body after a night's sleep, aid digestion, and even help to control blood sugar levels. While water is the best option, unsweetened tea or coffee can also be a part of a diabetes-friendly breakfast in moderation. However, it's essential to avoid sugary drinks and fruit juices, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. For those mornings when time is tight, having quick, diabetes-friendly options on hand is crucial. Preparing breakfasts ahead of time, like overnight oats with chia seeds and berries or egg muffins loaded with vegetables, can save time while ensuring you start your day right. These options are not only convenient, but also customizable, allowing you to adjust the ingredients to fit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. In the quest for managing diabetes, breakfast stands as a beacon of hope and an anchor for stability in a sea of dietary challenges. It's more than just a meal, it's a strategic tool that, when utilized correctly, can significantly improve daily blood sugar management and long-term health outcomes. The science behind a diabetes-friendly breakfast is compelling, underscoring the power of specific foods and nutrients to influence blood sugar levels positively. Studies, such as those published in prominent journals like the Journal of Nutrition and Diabetes Care, provide evidence of the beneficial effects of incorporating fiber-rich, whole food options and lean proteins into the morning meal. These studies are not just numbers and data, they represent real-world applications of nutritional science that can transform the daily lives of those with diabetes. The integration of foods like oats, almonds, chia seeds, and eggs into breakfast routines is supported by research demonstrating their roles in enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing postprandial glucose spikes, and supporting overall metabolic health. But beyond the biochemical impacts of these foods, there's a psychological dimension to consider. Eating a nourishing, satisfying breakfast can also positively affect one's mental and emotional well-being. For individuals with diabetes, mastering their morning meal can instill a sense of control and empowerment, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. It embodies a daily reaffirmation of their commitment to managing their condition with grace and determination. Moreover, the act of preparing and enjoying a healthful breakfast can be a meditative, joyful experience, a moment in the day carved out for self-care and mindfulness. This psychological uplift, coupled with the psychological benefits of a balanced breakfast, creates a holistic approach to diabetes management that addresses both body and mind. As we delve deeper into understanding the intricate dance between diet and diabetes, it becomes evident that every food choice, every meal, is an opportunity to nudge the scales in favor of health and well-being. The breakfast table, in this regard, is not just a place to eat. It's a laboratory where small daily experiments in nutrition and wellness can lead to significant life-altering results. It's a reminder that managing diabetes, or any chronic condition, is not just about adhering to a list of dietary restrictions, it's about embracing a lifestyle that celebrates food's nourishing power, respects the body's needs, and finds joy in the flavors and textures that make eating a pleasure. In this journey, breakfast is not just the first meal of the day, it's the first step towards a healthier, happier life with diabetes. Eating breakfast if you have diabetes doesn't have to be a chore or a bore. It's an opportunity to nourish your body, delight your taste buds, and take control of your health from the moment you wake up. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods and paying attention to the balance of macronutrients, you can enjoy a wide variety of breakfast options that support your diabetes management goals. Remember, the key to a successful diabetes-friendly diet is not just in what you avoid, but in the delicious and nutritious foods you choose to include. So, tomorrow morning, embrace the day with a breakfast that fuels your body, satisfies your soul, and supports your journey to better health.